Welcome to Gari Auto Care. I'm Tim Wire. This vehicle has a problem with stop and start. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that. So I had to scan this vehicle. After scanning this vehicle, I have found out that the problem is additional battery or auxiliary battery. Let me read the fault code. So here the fault code is C243900 and C243900, which is the stop and start function additional battery. So this vehicle has that problem. So I'm going to remove that additional battery, which is located on the boot, so that we replace with a new one. And it's very easy. You can do it on your own. This is the place where it's located. So I'm going to remove this is the battery I'm talking about. So I'm going to replace with the new one. This is the new one. It's very easy and you can do it on your own. Like that. So you need to make sure everything is intact the way it was. So we have negative terminal, and we have positive terminal. Like that. I think right now everything is okay. The clamp, so I think everything running is okay. So I'm going back to clear that fault code from the system. This is the fault code we have been talking about. You want to erase the fault code? Okay, erasing the fault. The fault is successfully erased. Let me start the vehicle. Perfect. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.